We are coming from the Academy of Fine Arts and Design in Ljubljana, from Slovenia. I'm teaching at the Department of Visual Communications Design. My name is Petra Černe. My colleague is Barbara Predan, and she teaches
at Industrial Design and Applied Arts Department, and also the same at the Academy of Fine Arts and Design at the University of Ljubljana.
My area of research is mainly visual communications, typography, information design.
And mine, I'm actually very focused on history of design, design research, and also service design, and then how to implement that and how to actually change the practice. We like to be very critical.
I think the future will need very socially oriented designers. Of course, digital is developing, but also we should put much more use or put more strength in information design, because we are saturated with any kind of visual information and they need to be sorted, they need to be put into use in terms of what user wants, what user is searching for, especially in terms of using it for democratic assimilation of information, to empower people to actually be able to find the right information, which of course could be helped with visual means a lot.
Well, in our opinion, I think I can talk for both of us, it's actually what we have to really immediately start doing is actually breaking down the silos that the design profession is in. So we have these fields that are very, let's say, traditional fields, from graphic design to visual communication design to industrial design, product design, service design. So whenever we put another adjective in front of design, we just make another profession which is kind of their own field. But actually, I believe in the future, we need to start, as Petra said, collaborate more. We need to stop putting ourselves in silos, putting ourselves in kind of isolated environment, because actually the wicked problems that are out there are so huge, and we need everyone to collaborate, everyone to share the knowledge, everyone actually to start to re-envisioning in what kind of a world we want to live in. And whenever I say for all of us, I'm actually speaking about all the living species, because we have to make the shift from human-centered design into the planet-centered design. So, and whenever we say about living species, we actually are not talking only, but of course we are about, let's say, plants, trees, ants, dogs, humans, but also the invisible living planet is also something that we should be very much, we see now for the last 2 years how the invisible planet, the life planet, is actually changing our relationships, our collaboration and everything. And this is something that designers need to, and have the possibility actually to act, have the possibility actually to change the perspective. And actually, as I really like to always quote here Tony Fry, we have to imagine in what kind of world we want to live in, and then actually decide what kind of steps do we need in order to have the impact to get there. So not just doing daily decisions and measuring the impacts of our daily decisions, but actually to rethink the model, the vision, the idea of a world we want to live in, the way we want to collaborate, and then deciding on the steps to get there.